How many of you have thought, how hard can it be to start a YouTube channel and post daily, make YouTube shorts that are worthwhile to watch? I was one of those people and I wanted to give it a shot. So I started a channel about 90 days ago and have been fitting it around my lifestyle because for me, family comes first. And boy, has it been such a learning experience. Figuring out how to edit videos, finding how to post videos in a way that catches people's attention but provides value. And then finally, telling my story. I'm a 30-year-old dad of two kids, but I also manage rental properties, work a full-time job, and most importantly, want to be a present father. So that's what my YouTube channel is all about. It's about sharing my experiences sorry, it's about sharing my experiences as a landlord, all the highs and the lows of that, the late night texts, the rewarding fixes, the absolute pleasure of providing awesome properties for people to live in that is affordable, a great space, and being a responsive landlord. And what I call that is ethical landlording. It's not about making money. It's about building relationships with the tenants that are in those properties and having a multi-year experience with tenants. That's what I love about being a rental property owner. Yes, it's absolutely hard with kids, but I try to work it into my lifestyle while still being a responsive landlord. And that's all about including my kids in the experience, being honest and transparent with them that Papa has to go fix something at one of our friends' house. And oftentimes they come with me and they do work along the way, which is great. I want them to be a part of that and I want them to know that's part of our life. Because ultimately, being a property manager has allowed me as a father and us as a family to experience more vacations, have a little bit more financial freedom. Along with that, working 40 hours a week as a manager at a technical company also presents challenges because ultimately that's what I have my degree in as an engineering background, but I love doing hands-on work. I always have told myself if I wasn't an engineer, I would absolutely have been in the trades. HVAC, plumbing, electrical. I feel like I would have loved doing that because background for me is growing up, both my parents were teachers. So I was around that learning environment. I got the hands-on experience working with my dad in the summers as he built and constructed properties and framed in houses for friends around the neighborhood as a tech ed shop teacher during the school year. And then my mom, as a guidance counselor, she taught me the skills and how important it is to communicate and connect with people. So I've used that along the way as a father, as a property owner, and in my career as an engineer and a manager now to grow as an individual. Back to the YouTube channel though, you're going to learn landlord tips or property management tips, and I'll try to present them in a very digestible format that is interesting, worthwhile, and valuable. I'll be posting dad moments along the way because that makes me most happy and they're so easy to post because it's just everyday experiences that I feel like a lot of people can relate to. And then finally, I love do-it-myself projects. I am currently putting a sauna at our home because I absolutely love relaxing in the wintertime or the late fall, early spring time in the Midwest in a sauna. I've installed mini splits in my own home and I've done plumbing, electrical, and installed some windows at my own property. And I absolutely love doing that hands-on work because not only does it sharpen my skills as someone that likes to do hands-on activities, but it also, I'm able to do this with my dad. As a shop teacher, Nothing makes him happier than connecting with me, my family, and helping us and supporting us, and then teaching me more about do-it-yourself projects. So I'm going to be posting my experiences that I've done myself, how it saves money. Again, relating back to family experiences, it allows us to save money and go on trips. So that's one reason, not only the skill side of things, but the financial side of things of doing things myself. Those are the three things that are going to be encompassing within my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and absolutely subscribe, because that's how I know which way to go, where directions, what content I should be posting, what people are connecting with. So that feedback is absolutely important for me to understand if I'm on the mark with something or if I'm not and I could improve things. I'd love to grow this channel with anyone that is interested, and hopefully the content that I'm posting gives you a laugh, is valuable, or just plain interesting. I have plenty of shorts already. I'm working on the long form content as we speak, and I'm wanting to grow in that aspect of this YouTube channel.